Douche.
Cuando te vi, juré que nunca más voy a olvidar la ilusión de enamorarme de ti cada día.
That was, I don't think it's healthy.
I know. It's obviously not delicious.
I don't think so. Alright, we're back in the airport right now. We're heading to Malaysia. You excited? You excited? Yeah? She's excited. We're going back. I'm finally gonna bring her to my hometown. I ain't gonna show her my whole hometown, but I'm gonna bring her to Malaysia. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna just eat, to be honest. It's just a one-day trip. We're just gonna get food, Malaysian food. It is a Ramadan season, so I hope it's not hard to find food in daytime, but we'll see. It's 1:30 in the morning. Our flight is at 5. We live very far away from the airport, so we opt to get here really early. There's still people around, so yeah, basically waiting for our flight, finding food. This girl wants food in the middle of the night. God. But she doesn't know what to eat. A&W is open. You want A&W? Oh. We're at A&W. Wow, it's yellow.
Yellow. What is yellow? Veggie pocket.
There you go. What?
Veggie pocket.
Veggie what?
Pocket.
Veggie pocket.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's so big. That's too much root beer. Oh, it's so good though. It's so good but so big. That's like American size. This is too much root beer for this time. I got the
What is it?
chili lava barbecue.
How do you-
First of all, looks maybe like 3 out of 10. This is the veggie one.
This one.
It looks alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks alright actually. I don't know why my one looks like.
Kita makan.
Yeah, alright.
Oh my god, it's actually really good.
It's good. It's such good. The taste is like maybe 8 out of 10. This is our first food for our first food vlog. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a food vlog or not, but so far it's a food vlog. Alright, let's go. Let's get on the flight.
Cuando te vi, juré que nunca más voy a olvidar la ilusión de enamorarme de ti cada día. Yo nunca más voy a olvidarte. Yo nunca más voy a olvidar.
We have arrived in Malaysia. This is like my 3rd time taking this video. That flight was, how was the flight for you?
That's okay.
God, you were sleeping in a weird position, dude. You gotta stop that. Your posture is gonna go so bad.
I used to it.
Like me too as well. Like that's the thing about this flight. It was long and short at the same time. Long for my neck, all the through my back, but short because I just need more sleep, dude. That's probably like the only sleep I had this last night, like tonight, which is 2 hours. Because the flight was 2 hours. That's too bright, babe. But that being said, we're in Malaysia. What do you think about Malaysian airport so far?
Same.
Is the same? Do we want to travel later? You know what? Let's travel. I can probably sleep on here as well. Alright, let's get through customs and the border. What is it called? I keep on saying it's a border. What is it called? It's not border. You got the customs, immigration. God damn. That's why you're my girlfriend. We are officially in Malaysia. It's my second time this year in Malaysia. Kinda psyched, but also kind of like, oh, I'm back kind of thing. So, and I am out. Was I supposed to? Am I allowed to shoot? I was totally shooting in customs. That was not good. But we are in Malaysia. You are in Malaysia. Alright. One, I need a toilet because I need to dump this poo. This is too much root beer for this time. Number two, we need to change money.
Currency
Exchange. Yeah, let's exchange that. Our first meal in Malaysia is this vanilla Coca-Cola. I drank it when I was younger living in Malaysia, but to be honest, I totally forgot the taste. Oh, okay. That's childhood. Babe, this is my childhood. I drank this so much.
Good?
Oh, that's good. That's nice. It's like thick and smooth actually. A little bit like a dessert. You want it? Just try it. Gosh. You like it? No?
No.
I should finish this before the
Driver come.
touch comes. Oh, why did I say touch?
What?
Before the grab comes, yeah. After this, we're going to Bukit Bintang. Search for food. You're hungry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's makan.
Let's eat. I want to have at least 5 meals today, so.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, let's go. Where's the driver? Around Pavilion.
Yeah. You know Pavilion?
Mhm.
There's a shopping mall there.
No.
Alright. It's one of the best in KL.
Okay, can you actually drop us off there then?
No worries.
Okay, great. So we're going to Pavilion.
It's close by.
Okay. We can check out the food court.
But Indian whatever.
Or you want to go out and check food outside. We're in a mall right now. So apparently, according to our Grab driver, because it's Ramadan, a lot of restaurants are closed right now. So he recommended to kind of see around this mall, which is a pavilion. It's called Pavilion Mall. Check out this mall, and then when it's around evening, late lunch, they'll start opening, and then that's probably the best time we can go find food. But the thing is, that's the time that we want to check into our hotel and then go back out, and then sorry, what's up? You found food?
Tokyo Street, we can get some Japanese food from here.
Dude, we're in Malaysia. You're not gonna get
If-
Japanese food.
Yeah,
I'm
listen,
not
listen.
letting any Japanese food go inside your stomach
Listen.
while you're here.
Listen.
What's
If
up?
I said that, you can just block up with me.
if you say that,
like that.
I can break up with you?
Yeah.
Because it's that stupid. They got Five Guys. Well, I guess we're gonna find food. But we're here at Pavilion. Dude, it's so nice. Look at that. It's Raya. Hari Raya. So Alright, we finally got food. We're here at this restaurant, Al Ibrahim, somewhere in KL. To be honest, we're lost and we don't even know where I am. You wanna do it? You wanna hold it for me? We got this. Oh, we got chicken, fish, and then some other stuff. But you got fish, tofu, and eggs. You got more stuff than me. I'm excited. This is our first food for today. Are you excited? It's a thumbs up for her. And shit, let's eat because I'm hungry. Let's eat. It's so good. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. Easily. It's so good.
やば。大正解。テンション爆上がる。
Alright, we're gonna finish this food and then we're gonna go to the next place, which is right there. For our next meal. Good? Alright. Came to another like mama restaurant. We got this sweet chicken, some green beans with veggie. Wait, it is green. Yeah. And some mutton curry. Basically the same thing. We got only one for now, just because we ate quite a lot on the last one, and we're kind of full. But yeah, this place is like what? Oh god, the director behind the camera, eh? Everything you touch is like very oily. I don't know why, but in Japan that's the indication of like a very nice restaurant or a very nice like ramen place. So let's hope that is the same here. Let's eat it. Try it. This is like a very sweet chicken. I'm not sure if you're gonna like it.
Really?
I like this
Okay.
very much, but it's like sweet. It's not even sweet and spicy. It's sweet. I'll just try the chicken first. Oh man. Yep. Oh, you know what? Scratch that. It's sweet and spicy. I don't know if you're okay with that. Perfect. We're gonna finish this and then head to the next location. Alright, we went to a restaurant. They had the same thing that we had, like they will give you rice and then you'll choose what to put on the rice. Apparently that's what everyone is doing around here. And they don't have roti canai and the other stuff that they usually have because of Ramadan. So we are gonna take that as everyone in Malaysia, every restaurant in Malaysia is doing that. We're gonna stop eating for now and then go shopping. She wants to go to Hard Rock Cafe because she has this t-shirt collection that she wants to do. But yeah, Hard Rock Cafe. I've never been to a Hard Rock Cafe in Malaysia, to be honest. So that should be interesting for me. Do you want to get a Grab or do you want to walk? I mean, I don't mind walking. Do you mind walking? I think you do mind walking. We arrived at our hotel. I'm hoping we don't die in our hotel. Oh, it's like a tiny room.
It's like pool.
It does smell like
It's
chlorine pool. This is a
okay.
yeah. It's alright. I mean, it's for one night. It's like perfect. Why are you so close? Okay, I think I'm gonna end this vlog, this part of the vlog here. If you guys want to see our adventure at nighttime, which I think right now, because with the bazaar, pasar, um, pasar raya, it will be very beautiful. Very like I'm planning to take a lot of photos as well and vlogging. So if you guys want to see that, follow for more and check out the next video. Yeah, you want to say something?
No.
No, you're good.
Yeah.
Do you want to sleep? I just want to sleep right now.
Yeah.
Until we go out again tonight. I ate a lot.
Buka.
Buka puasa?
Yeah.
Yeah.